This demo illustrates how to use the single cycle computer AllTABS application in order to look inside the single cycle computer and focus on the hardware that is active in every single instruction. It takes quite a while to open, but once it's open, it's very effective. So open up ViCiLab, click on Library and run FPGA and select SCC single cycle computer _ AllTABS and select OK. It will take a number of minutes. There are about 60 tabs and hence the Python application just takes a lot of time to set up. So when prompted to log on to the ViCiLogic server, enter your username and password. Register if you don't have this set up already at vicilogic.com. So when you notice the second pop-up window here with the tabs, open this, and in this particular case all of the individual instruction-based tabs are available, and if you scroll across, the last instruction is ROTL, rotate left. There's the multiplier hardware picture. There's the function execution, which is 4 subcomponents, one of which is set clear invert bit. That's this block. Going to the very end, the top view of the single cycle computer shows the instruction memory, registers, a little array with some of the data memory here. There's more detail in other pictures. Each of these tabs, when executed, will allow you to browse between this picture and others. Tab browser allows me to use any of these to go to the top level, then go back to the tab browser. I can look with more detail at the structure of the single cycle computer. I can go back to the tab browser. I can look at the function execution unit. Within this, there's the logical piece. I can go back to the tab browser again. I can go into the arithmetic drawing. Again, the tab browser, I can click on VHDL and it will open the VHDL model for that arith unit. Back to the tab browser. So this is a way to look around the design. To execute, I do need to go to the left-hand side and open up the IDE. Here I can open any program, assembly program, and because all of the tabs are included, assemble, transfer to program memory, and as I execute the program, the instruction inv in this case will show the active hardware here. But if I want to browse to the tab browser, I can do so and look inside the detail of the logical block at the actual detail to see what's happening, what the paths are, etc. This is the logical block within the function execution unit. I can go back to the tab browser, I can look at the VHDL, etc. As I single step again, it goes back to the instruction. If I want to keep the picture on the right hand side, I go into the settings and choose the tab on the right hand side that I want. So say for example I want the game tab at the end. I can not auto change by ticking this box and then X that out of the way. And this tab, no matter what instruction I am on, the tab on the right hand side will always remain enabled. I can reset, and again the same happens. I need to go back into settings to enable auto tabbing and then hit reset again, and you'll see that the tabbing works again. So the browser is useful to see the actual hardware that's executing for a particular instruction, and you can single step through all of these. Any program will be supported because every instruction here has a tab, whereas some of the other ViCiLab application files don't have every single tab. They only have a subset of tabs because opening up the application with multiple tabs takes so long. So try that out with programs.